This is a cat. She may look like a dead cat, but she's very much a live cat. And the relevance of the cat will be revealed at the end. As I promised, we'll come back to the cat later. But I wanted to share with you the minimum setup you're going to need for professional YouTube videos. Here you'll see my tripod, smartphone with a special holder for it, absolutely essential. This is basic stuff for steady camera work. But the magic that makes all the difference is close miking. So as I'm coming into the video camera, I'm using a lavalier mic here, radio controlled to the camera. But with the smartphone, Rode do some amazing products. So this is an adapter that takes two of their little microphones. I'll put links below and in the post. But that gives you an interview kit. Two microphones, da 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 da. The biggest bit of magic are the fluffies. And these are sold separately and quite expensive, about £15 each, I think. But they cut down the wind noise. So you're going to hear some wind noise across this microphone because it's only got the foam on at the moment. That on top is why I took a picture of the cat to start with, and I'll show you something else. This is affectionately known in the trade as a dead cat. How unpleasant is that? But like those there, this is for a bigger microphone of course, that protects the foam and the microphone so that even in windy conditions, as long as it's not ridiculous, you can get a really good recording. The fascinating thing about video is that people will forgive iffy video, but they won't forgive bad audio. That means some sort of lavalier microphone, like these here, or a shotgun microphone on the camera should be on your essential list. So let's clock it down. I don't know what clock it down means, but well, let's count them down. Tripod, holder for the phone, Rode adapter for the two mics, two Rode mics, and two dead cats. That's the basic kit. But if you want to go further, this is where things get really creative and really exciting. Here I've got something from the games manufacturer, Elgato. It's one of the best designed products I've ever seen. A green screen backdrop, and that means if you film properly with the right lighting, there is a caveat there, against a green screen, you can remove that in post-production and put anything you like your slides, like your message, like backgrounds, in that space, in that green space. Make sure you don't wear green and you don't have green teeth. But if you do that, then you can accentuate your message with B-roll, supporting footage. You, the talent, are the A-roll, you're an A-roll. And the supporting stuff that accentuates your video is the B-roll. And that makes a world of difference. And I think it's about £130. So let's think about the prices here. Your phone on contract, maybe £20, if you've got a good deal. The microphones keep coming down in price. They're really amazing. So they're about £40 each. The adapter is about £60. So that's £140 plus the £20, £160. Tripod, you can get a reasonable one for 20 quid. So I think for less than £200, you can get the essential setup. For £350, you can have the essential setup, providing you've got the software to take the green out, to make very, very creative and very, very engaging videos. You've got to have the dead cats as well. I much prefer our live cat, who's now moved. She's very curious. But that wind is an enemy of any kind of outside broadcast. Well, let's say for 250, maybe £300, you can produce professional videos suitable for social media, especially YouTube. And YouTube is the sweetheart. It's your own TV channel. So this has been Lex McKee from the Productivity Channel, and that's the final point I want to make. People come to me and they go, are you a production company? No, I'm me, for starters, and I do produce results. But if you go to a professional production company, you ought to be paying £1,000 plus per minute of finished video with a proper team, a sound person, camera person, lighting, all these things. You should be paying £1,000 plus per finished minute of video. Now, who in the small business world is going to pay £1,000, £4,000 a week to get a video out there. You're not going to do that, are you? So I'm not a production company. I am a YouTube producer who's very, very happy to work with colleagues whose message I like. And for that, I've got the capacity just for 10 clients, And that means filming with you once a month in a morning to get 4 videos ready for you to put out your videos on YouTube. And for the first 10 people, and I can only cope with 10 people, I'm going to do a special offer for £300 per month. We're not talking about £4,000 per video. That means £16,000 to get similar results. We're talking about £300 per month for you to get 4 videos out there, 1 a week on your YouTube channel. It's not BBC, but it is professional and it is effective, because in other videos we'll talk about the tagging. The tagging is key, and how you build your tribe and how you build your audience. So in summary then, you can work with me for £300 a month, but I can only cope with 10 people. Your setup could cost you less than £200 essential, less than £300 to do amazing things. The difference that makes a difference is whether or not you will take action and commit to getting your content out there consistently. I hope you will. And if you work with me, you're going to work with a productivity coach who's going to help you nurture your talent, support you with your team, get your time back, and use technology to broadcast your message and accelerate your results. I rest my case. Thanks for tuning in.